Let me show you how to change out a can light. A lot of people have these in their houses, this recessed lighting, and they're wonderful, but you're surprised how many people don't know how to take them out. Well, all you do is you get your fingers up behind it a little bit, or if it's really tight, you know, put something in there, a little screwdriver, pull it down, and you just pull it down that far, and it's just got two wires. I'll show you when I get down there, that you just unplug. And then you got these two little springs on each side that you just squeeze together. So I squeeze them together, and that's basically what holds it. Dust all over it. So if you look at the can light inside, you got this wire, and it's screwed into an outlet. Nothing fancy. You can put a regular bulb in there, I suppose, if you really wanted. And then you got this plug. Now these are LED lights. They put out a fair amount of light. That's what that one is over there. And they're supposed to last 20 years. Two of these at Lowe's is 15 bucks, I think, $14, something like that. So for it to last that long and put out, you know, I don't know how many lumens of light it puts out, but typical 60-watt bulb, I suppose. So when you want to put it back in, you just squeeze these back together to about where they touch. And there's little hooks inside there. I don't know if you can see them or not. But you latch it, and then you hook the light back together, and then you just push it in place, and the little springs on those kind of open up as they go in, and it holds it tight against the ceiling. So if you're going to paint, like say you're just painting your ceiling, you don't even have to take it all the way out. Just pull it all the way down, paint all around it without getting it on the rim or anything, and when you're done painting, just plop and put it back, and you're done. Gotta love that.